Now see the example, students. Solve the following system of equation by using matrix inversion method. You have to obtain the solution for unknowns. Where is unknowns are xi's. Here 3 cross 3 system of equations. Therefore x1, x2 and then x3. You have to solve the following system of equation by using what? Matrix inversion method. In the last class you have discussed about what is the meaning of matrix inversion method. Okay. Now you have to consider this problem and then you can re-reduce this in the form of a into x which is equal to b, where a which is equal to your coefficients aij. What is coefficient now? 3, 1, 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1, 2, 1. That is coefficients of this case, this linear system of equations. Therefore a andre enagide aij choose madirtira alva, that is this one. 3, 1, 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1, 2, 1. And b which is equal to, ನೋಡಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ a11 a12 a13, ಅದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 3 cross 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 3 cross 3 means this one. Therefore you have to consider now a as this one and b as the constant one, that is 3 minus 3 4, and x are unknowns x1 x2 and then x3. So to solve this one, first you have to check whether the matrix is singular or non-singular. Therefore you have to find out the determinant. Determinant of A which is equal to what? Determinant of this matrix A, that is this one. How to obtain this determinant? That is, you have to consider 3. First element is as it is 3. Then you have to neglect these factors. You have to multiply these two. That is minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 and then negative of multiply of these two. That is minus of minus becomes plus, that is plus 2 into 1 is 2. Clear? Next, this one first element is positive, next element is minus 1 and then you have to neglect these factor, this row and then column. Therefore you have to multiply by what? 2 into 1 is 2, then minus of minus becomes plus, that is plus 1, plus 2 times 2 2s are 4 and then minus of minus becomes plus, that is 3 1s are 3. Now simplify these factor, you will get 8. Therefore this is not equal to 0. Therefore it is a non-singular matrix. Therefore you concluded that the inverse exists. Therefore how to find out the inverse of a matrix? That is A inverse which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. What is the meaning of adjoint of A? That is transpose of a cofactor of a matrix A is nothing but your adjoint of A. Therefore first you have to obtain what is cofactor of A. Cofactor of matrix A for, that is cofactor of matrix A. Let me choose here matrix A 3 1 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 2 1. Now how to obtain the cofactor of a matrix? That is, ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. therefore once again choose here ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನೇನು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೇನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಈ ಕೇಸಸ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟಲ್ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನು, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ multiply minus 3 into 1, minus of minus becomes plus, that is 2 into 1 is 2. Next is second element is negative, that means that place value becomes negative, but you have to neglect this column as well as this row. Then you have to multiply 2 into 1, that is 2 into 1 is 2, minus of minus becomes plus 1. Then similarly last place value is positive and then you have to neglect these two elements. Therefore the remaining element will be 2 2s are 4, minus of minus becomes plus 4 plus 3. Clear? And now you have to simplify the factors. Similarly you can obtain the solution for these two cases. That is for this place negative, you have to neglect these two factors. Just multiply 1 into 1 is 1, 2 2s are 4, but the place value is negative 1 minus 4. Similarly, find out the solution. After simplifying this one, you will get the cofactor as this factor. Okay, what is the adjoint of A means the transpose of this cofactor is nothing but adjoint of a matrix. Therefore, minus 1 minus 3 7. Transpose of that one means minus 1 minus 3 7 in a column way. Therefore, this is your adjoint of a matrix. Therefore, adjoint of A which is equal to minus 1 minus 3 7, 3 1 minus 5, 5 7 minus 11. Therefore, after knowing the value of adjoint of A, you will obtain the solution for A inverse. How to find out the solution? A inverse which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Therefore, A inverse which is equal to 1 by determinant of A value is 8 and then adjoint of A is nothing but this one. Okay. Your aim is to obtain what? The solution. How to obtain the solution? You know the matrix inversion method is nothing but x which is equal to A inverse into what? B. X which is equal to what? A inverse value is nothing but 1 by 8 times this matrix, and then what is B value? That is constant matrix, that is 3 minus 3 4. Now multiply these two factors, that is ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ divider ಇಂದ choose ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ because ನಿಮಗೆ fractions ಬರುತ್ತೆ, difficult ಆಗಬಹುದು maybe. Therefore obtain this like this one and then multiply these two factors, first row into first column, that is minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus 3 3s are minus 9 plus 5 4s are 20. And then second row into first column, minus 3 3s are 9, minus 3 plus 7 4s are 28. Then finally third row into third column, 7 3s are 21, minus into minus becomes plus, 5 3s are 15, minus 44. After simplifying these factor, you will get what? X which is equal to 1 by 8 times 8, 16 minus 8. Now divide the factor, that is 1, 8 divided by 8 is 1, and then 16 by 8 is 2, then minus 8 by 8 is minus 1. Therefore, the place value is this is x1 and this is x2 and then this is x3, so that the solution become x1 which is equal to 1, x2 which is equal to 2 and finally x3 which is equal to minus 1. This is what how to obtain the solution by using matrix inversion method. So that next in the second one, do it as an homework. You will get the solution x1 as 7, x2 as minus 9 and x3 as 5. Okay. In the next class, let me go consider for next direct method. Okay. Thank you.